to cook up another instrumental. You ought to give me 2 thumbs up just for this intro.
It's Bigg Vic TV.
Hey, welcome to my world.
What is up, guys? It's your man Bigg Vic, and I'm back in here. I'm back in the lab with another one. And today we got another cook-up session for y'all. I am in the building with the homie, the young homie, Monty. And we're going to cook up some new. So y'all know how I do it. Y'all know I'm going to cook the beat up. Monty going to spit the bars. He going to pin something up for us real quick. We're going to see what it is. Y'all may not have heard of him, but after today, y'all going to know who Monty is, all right? So let's get it cracking.
Man, what's poppin'? We here, about to make it do what it do what we do. About to lay it down, get the people what they want, get them what they need, man.
All right, y'all, so this is going to be a little different. So y'all probably not used to this. I know what y'all thinking we might be cooking up, but this is going to be something different. We're going to have a nice little different feel to this one. So let's see what I got up my sleeve. See what I got. said he got some. He got some in the works right now.
Hey, it's groovy, man. I'm telling you, it's groovy. It's groovy. It's groovy. I think y'all gonna like this.
Let's get it.
Oh girl, you blow my mind. The way your hips whine. Go slow, take your time. How you move should be a crime. Yeah. Feel like I'm swimming without a paddle, agitating the gravel, riding without a saddle. I'm gone, knocking on this game's door. They say nobody was home. Smooth like percussions, ain't no need for discussion other than G.O.D. I'm whom I put my trust in. Baby, come ride with me, baby, come slide with me. But be careful, you get swept up in low tide with me. I'm like an analyst, spreading love like philanthropist. I'm the one you do damage with. In the darkness, keep candles lit. I'm trying to tell you secrets like I do this microphone. I got your spirit with, so baby, keep no panties on. A small key instrument just like the xylophone. We know what we are, so what we putting titles on. Baby, just move your hips so I can sing this follow song. This thing smooth made me want to put my rivals on. We started at where we started at?
Hold on, right here.
I'm trying to tell you secrets like I do this microphone. I got your spirit with, so baby, keep your panties on. A small but key instrument like the xylophone. We know what we are, so
that's what you said on that one?
Yeah, I said the xylophone, they gonna feel it.
Okay. That's what you said right there?
We know what we are, so what we putting titles on. Baby, just move your hips so I can sing this follow song. This thing smooth.
Alright, let's rock it.
I'm like an analyst, spreader, look like philanthropist. I'm the one you do damage with. In the darkness, keep candles lit. I'm trying to tell you secrets like I do this microphone. What you tell them? What you tell them? They gon' feel it. They gon' feel it. I probably do a little lighter one above it. Damage in the darkness, keep candles lit. I'm trying to tell you secrets like I do this microphone. I got your spirit with, so baby, keep your panties on. A small but key instrument like the xylophone. We know what we are, so what we putting titles on. Baby, just move your hips so I can sing this follow song. This thing smooth made me want to put my rivals on.
Yeah, hit that note.
Yep.
Need that one.
What you tell her? What you tell her? They gon' feel it. They gon' feel it.
So me and the homie Monty just cooked up one for y'all. About to let this joint roll. Let y'all hear what it is. Think y'all gonna like this joint?
Grown folks music.
Dope. You never know what's coming. You never know what's coming.
It's Monty.
Y'all think we should drop this joint? Like, y'all think we should put this one out? What y'all think? Let me know down in the comments what y'all thinking right now, alright? See y'all in a second.
Hey, we got something smooth for y'all, you know? Something that's smooth like the ocean. Go on, keep it floating. Smooth like the ocean. Ooh, girl, you blow my mind. The way your hips whine. Go slow, take your time. How you move should be a crime. I know you blow my mind. The way your hips whine. Go slow, take your time. How you move should be a crime. Yeah, feel like I'm swimming without a paddle, agitating the gravel, riding without a saddle. I'm gone, knocking on this game's door, and they say nobody was home. They acting like I can't pop, boy, I'm acne prone, smooth like percussion. Ain't no need for discussion, other than G.O.D. I'm whom I put my trust in. Baby, come ride with me, baby, come slide with me. But be careful, you get swept up in no tide with me. I'm like an analyst, spreading love like philanthropist. I'm the one you do damage with. In the darkness, keep candles lit. I'm trying to tell you secrets like I do this microphone. I got your spirit with, so baby, keep your panties on. A small but key instrument like the xylophone. We know what we are, so what we putting titles on. Baby, just move your hips so I can sing this follow song. This thing smooth made me wanna put my